In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vertical video using Kapwing, perfect for platforms like Instagram Stories or TikTok. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you can follow along with ease. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to kapwing.com. Once you're there, locate and click on the Create New option, which is your starting point for developing any new video project within the tool. Before you go any further, it's important to make sure your project is set up correctly, and this is where selecting the canvas size becomes crucial. Under the Canvas or Output Size option, you'll need to select the 9:16 ratio. This vertical format is ideal for mobile devices and ensures that your content looks great on screens, providing a professional appearance to your audience. With the correct canvas size set, it's time to add your video. Simply upload your chosen file into the editor. If it's already on your device, you can drag it right into the Kapwing interface, or alternatively, use the Upload button to locate it. Sometimes people prefer to link files from online locations, and Kapwing provides those options as well. Once your video has been added, you have the flexibility to adjust it. You might find that centering it or zooming in enhances the visual appeal. Take a few moments to consider its composition. The preview function is incredibly handy here. It gives you a chance to see how your video will appear on a mobile device, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments to perfect the framing. After you've completed these adjustments, it's time to finalize your project. When you're satisfied with the placement and look of your video, proceed to click on Export Project. This step encodes your video, preparing it for downloading or sharing. You might want to grab a coffee or a snack, depending on the size of your project, as this process can take some time. Exporting is a crucial step, as this is where all your hard work gets converted into a format that's easy to distribute. And there you have it, the clear and simple process for creating a vertical video using Kapwing. With these steps, you're now equipped to generate content that's perfectly suited for those vertical displays. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and that you now feel confident in using these insights for your creative endeavors. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.